Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a service on the SST transmission on my Ralliart. The most important component you're going to need is the Castrol Transmax Dual transmission fluid. You get them in a 20-litre container here. We're going to need to remove the intake funnel, the battery tray, and also the positive battery terminal bracket. As you can see, the positive terminal bracket is held in by two 10mm bolts. The closest bolt to the screen is the fill plug. Make sure you're able to crack open the fill plug before you do any of the drain plugs, and it also helps with draining. To gain access to the SST external filter and also the drain plugs, you're going to need to remove the front left wheel and also the splash guard that is underneath there. So the SST filter is located behind this splash guard, and it's necessary to take it off so you can get to the drain plugs also. A section of the under tray will also need to come out because it's attached to the left hand splash guard. This is the crummy old SST filter that we will be replacing. It looks like it hasn't been replaced since new, so fingers crossed.
Okay guys, we're nearly ready to drain the transmission fluid from the SST. There are two drain holes, one here and one here. On other models there could be up to 3 drain holes or drain plugs for it. These are just 8mm hex holes there, so we'll just use that. The transmission has been having some issues, so hopefully doing a oil change will help it out. The sun's killing it, but this is the filter right here, the external filter. There is also another internal filter on the inside of the box, which we will not be changing at all. For this, you'll put a flathead screwdriver, pry this away very gently because you don't want to break this clip. You break this clip, you kind of shit out of luck. And yeah, let's get to draining.
Once all the fluid has come out of the drain plugs, nip them all up to 25 foot-pounds of torque. Then check the filter. We've just removed the filter. I just want to have a look at this, and when I did, I found that it was atrocious. If you have a look at the state of this thing, it's just horrid. It had never been changed. When installing the new filter, use the same method, applying the screwdriver to remove the clip away from the little spinning thing so it doesn't actually get caught, and then just do it up hand tight. Don't forget to lube the O-ring. Proceed to put all the under tray back together, then we'll lower it down and fill her up with some new fluid. We got approximately 6.6 to 6.8 litres out of the SST. Now we're going to fill it up with just 7. There should be like a little bit more left in the oil cooler. And that's it. Put everything back together and don't forget to road test. Well, thanks for joining me on this video, guys. I know this can be daunting to do, but it's fairly simple. It took approximately 2 hours to do, and it was very straightforward. Thanks, guys. See you on the next video.